everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am going to be decorating in here, adding more decoration to my living room. And so what I wanted to do, I wanted to add these DIY Dollar Tree mailboxes that I showed you, that I had a video up, did a video on, and I will be linking that in the card section above, so make sure you go check it out. I'm going to be using a table, and all I did was added this red and green, I guess it's like a fleece type of material. I purchased this from Joann's last year. Might have been a year before. It might have been had now about 2 years, because I was going to learn to sew and I was going to use it. But since I did not learn to sew yet, I'm going to use it here on my table because it goes with my decor. So what I'm going to do right now is just decorate it and add these mailboxes here. All right. Let's see. Okay. So I'm just trying to get everything the way I would like to have it. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this. It said life needs more ho 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 and mistletoe. And this was given to me by one of my co-workers, I think, on my other job. So I like this. I'm going to be adding it to right here in this area. Okay. And I have these little figurines, little plastic figurines that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I've been had these a while also. And these, like I said, came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to be adding a few of them here on this table. Just kind of spreading them out in the different colors that I like. All right, so I think I've added enough to this table. So I think this is all I'm going to add. So this is my little DIY Christmas table with my children's mailboxes, as well as this beautiful Life Needs More Ho 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 and Mistletoe little tray. And it came from Cracker Barrel. All right, and I added these little plastic figurines. And this is a reindeer, and you all know that I am in love with reindeer. So I'm just going to add it here. All right. So I want to say thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. All right. And I'll be coming on here. What I'm going to be doing is a countdown to Christmas. And that's what I'm going to be titling my videos, so that you will all know when this is a Christmas video. It's going to be countdown to Christmas. So I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family. And I hope you all have a great and wonderful day. See you in my next video. Bye.